What is Piratebox? A Piratebox is a portable electronic device often consisting of a Wi-Fi router and a device for storing information, creating a wireless network that allows users to connect and share files anonymously and locally. By definition, this device is disconnected from the internet. The Piratebox was originally designed by David Darts, who was, I think, a professor at some, I think it was Steinhardt School of Culture. This is the Piratebox website where you can go to and research all about it. Essentially, it's just a portable Wi-Fi router and sharing system, which you can share files anonymously. Kind of like your own personal intranet, which is pretty cool if you're living in like, a block of units, or you can take it to public spaces, things like that. So that's over at daviddarts.com, as you can see up here. So this video is a tutorial, step-by-step video, about creating the Piratebox and how to make your own. Okay, so here are all the parts we're going to be using to assemble the Piratebox. We got a 32 gig USB flash drive from Toshiba, our TP-Link MR3020, which is a portable wireless N router. It also does 3G and 4G, which is handy, and it's also quite small, fit in the palm of your hand. Both these components will be going into this plastic enclosure, this, I guess you call it electric component enclosure, which I got from my local hardware store. And then on the side of that, I'm going to modify this USB plate with a USB input on the side, which will sit flush obviously. And then we're going to mount that on the side here. But I may have to modify this plate to get it to work properly. All this stuff I got from my local hardware except for these two items. Total cost of building this Piratebox is so far about $40. So you can still be a cheap bastard when you do it. Because I know most of you who watch this are all cheap bastards. Alright, so that's all of our components. Let's get started. The first step you want to take is to head on over and download the install Piratebox zip file, and the link here, which is stable.openwrt.pyratebox.de/auto/install_piratebox.zip. Now, if you were too slow to type that as I was talking, I'll put the link in the description to download that. Now the second thing you'll need is your squashfs file, so you'll want to go ahead and download that, which is at stable.openwrt.pyratebox.de/auto. Again, the link will be in the description. So what I have to do is actually grab the squashy for my model of wireless router, which I think was the MR3020. Just double check that. MR3020. Yeah, so this is the one I need here. So we're going to go ahead and get that. The next thing you want to go and do is plug in your USB drive and make sure that it's actually formatted to FAT32, obviously. Obviously this isn't going to work on an NTFS drive. I've just chosen a 32 gig one, which I got from my local electronics store. And then what you want to do is you want to go and grab your file, which you downloaded, the install piratebox.zip, which is here, which you've extracted the install folder. And then what you want to do is copy the install folder to your USB drive. Just like that. Okay, now what you want to go ahead and do is connect your MR3020 device to your PC via USB or Ethernet cable. And then you want to go ahead and connect to the default page that you would do to connect to the router, which is on this one 192.168.0.254. To access the admin page, I think the default is just admin. Okay. So now what you want to go ahead and do is navigate to System Tools, Firmware Upgrade, browse for the WRT file that we downloaded earlier. And then you want to click Upgrade. Then what you want to do after the installation has been completed is telnet into the device. Now, obviously that's pretty simple, doing that through a command line on Linux or Unix, whatever. But obviously we're using Windows for this demonstration, so we're going to use a program called PuTTY. So the telnet will be 192.168.1.1, and you want to switch that to connection type as telnet. And just go ahead and click open. So now we've telneted into the device. You can see it's here, OpenWRT, Wireless Freedom. And then you want to use a password command to set your login password. This will enable SSH. So the password command is just PASSWD. Changing password for root, obviously. Okay, password for root changed by root. All good. Now I'm ready to activate the Kira image and discussion board on the UPnP server. So we can go ahead and do that now. Okay, so the last couple of steps there, my recording software just kind of stopped for some odd reason. There was only a couple of more command line options you had to change there, which was obviously setting the password for the Piratebox and time save and everything like that. So what I'll do is I'll put those in the description below. Obviously I can't redo those unless I want to redo the whole process. But once you've done all that, you should be able to click on your wireless connection settings, and obviously Piratebox will be showing up here. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and connect to that, and then a web browser should pop up, and it will look like that. Okay, so this is the Piratebox homepage, as you will. You got your little chat messages down here, and you can upload your own files to share. We got ourselves a forum, which is the same as just a 4chan style bulletin board where you can post as well. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and any questions just leave them in the comments below, and hopefully I can help you out if you come into any dramas. I'll put a bunch of information below about where I got all this information, all the links to download, all the bits of software you need. Thanks for watching.